Most people never guess this used to be a toilet. Today, I'm transforming this tiny space inside a supermarket into a discrete display area for alcoholic drinks and making every inch count. It's a smart way to respect the neighborhood's values, especially in a Muslim community. The first step was carrying the boards down to exact dimension needed. Next, I measured and marked the position of every shelf to make sure the layout was accurate. I'm assembling the structure using screws and metal brackets. These shelves will be carrying a lot of weight once they are fully stocked. So strength and stability are my top priorities. If you enjoy seeing how we maximize small spaces, don't forget to subscribe. I use fast dry paint on the exposed edges for a clean, reliable finish every time. Power has become a challenge at my workshop, so I switched to a hand saw to cut these small stoppers. They are simple details, but they are what prevent the barrels from accidentally sliding off the shelves. At this point, the transformation is almost coming to finish. And here is the most challenging task, mounting them to the wall. Since this used to be a toilet area, the walls are fully tiled. Drilling into tiles can be tricky if you are not careful. So I'm using special metal wall plugs to secure the shelves without damaging the finish. Here is a useful trick for working in tight spaces. I actually built this unit in two separate sections. The opening was so narrow that a single long shelf wouldn't have fit through for installation. Building it in section made the whole process much easier. The final transformation is complete. We have turned the former toilet space into a strong, discreet and professional display area. The customer is really happy with the result and the shelves are ready for a full load. Drop a comment and let me know what you think of this transformation. I'll see you in the next build.